Hello and welcome to my channel Crafted Beauties. Thank you for stopping by. Today I have planned a shadow box for you for which I have already scored my paper. I have taken 12 by 12 inches of paper and I have already scored my lines. So this is the template which I have done for you to clear what is happening here. So I have just mentioned the marking there, the numbering. You can take the screenshot of the numbering on how far and what distance I have made these score lines. So these score lines are on 3/4 inches of measurement. Now this red marks I have put, this is the red mark to cut your paper from there. So after cutting the paper we have got this template. So I have already cut this and I just put some tape on the last flap, if you can see there. Already I have stick my double-sided tape there and you have to cut this way. This I'm showing you the red marks. You have to take out that area. So this is what we have got. So let me burnish my paper real quick and I'll come back to you. So after burnishing our paper, I have got this. So here what I have done, I have already put this double-sided double-sided tape on the last flap and very carefully see I am folding one paper, one flap and after that I am just gluing it. You can see this side what I am doing. I am removing my double-sided tape. I am folding one flap. See, very slowly I am doing. I am folding one flap and on the third fold I am just sticking it. Two flaps you can see on the top when you fold. So like so. You just stick it and when you stand it like this, you will get this shape. So now here what I have done, I have stick some double-sided tape on the corners as well. So when you are sticking your double-sided tape, these corners you have to put tape on the other side, inside. And the tape which I have done, that was on the other side, opposite side. Now you will see when I will take out the remove the backing of my tape, you will come to know what I am saying. It is inside. So on the corners, you have to do the opposite side. Okay. So just watch carefully what I am saying. So when I will fold the paper, you will come to know from where I am removing my uh, double-sided tape there. So it is inside on the corners where I have put and let me just I will show you. You will come to know why I am doing these, sticking these tapes at the end. You will come to know why I am doing this. So see where I have put tape. I have put tape the opposite side. See, and the corners are this side. So I hope you understand what I am saying. And now I will fold it the same way which I have how I have done the other side. And we will not stick this side now. We will stick both the side together. So first let me just glue these like so. So one fold and two flaps I can see from the top and I have just glued. Now you will see why I have put these flaps to remove this from there, because it is easy to remove these packings, otherwise from inside when it is full you cannot remove, right? And together I am just adjusting my flaps and gluing it like so, and we are ready with our box. You can, if you want, you can use glue also, wet glue, to fix these corners. And this is what we have got. Real quick, our shadow box, you can use it in many different ways. You can make beautiful cards out of it or anything else. And please, if you like the video, please hit that like button and do subscribe my channel. And I will come back to you with a new video soon. Thank you and enjoy crafting. Bye bye.